custom coordinate planes in Newline Engage Cloud. To find this option, go to the Tools section, which is on the far left side and looks like a toolkit. Once you click the arrow, go to Grids, and then Coordinate Plane. You do have a few options within here. The first is you can determine how many ticks are on that graph, which are just the lines. Next, you can make your graph small, medium, or large. And then you have the option for dark line or text on ticks. And I will show you what those two looks like. So if I use the default settings for large, I have my dark lines here and my numbers on those ticks. This is what the graph would look like with no dark lines. And this is what the graph would look like with no text. So you can determine your preference for the class. Once you have your custom coordinate plane, students have two different ways to draw on this coordinate plane. Both of those options are found in the Tools section. So I'll go ahead and click that arrow, go to Grids, and the first option is Grid Painter. This can be a good tool if students need to graph multiple points at once. If students only need to graph one point at a time, they can instead choose the Grid Dot Painter. Again, that is found under Tools, Grids, and Dot Painter. Students can change the color of the dot painter by changing the pin color on the top row of your Newline Engage board. They can also change the size of that dot painter by changing the pin thickness.